Hey everybody, this is Lady T and welcome to Lady T's Things That Bling DIY videos. Today I'm going to show you how I take foam board from a Dollar Tree and make doors for my ugly shelves. I know some people had mentioned to me that my shelves were in the picture and they were kind of ugly, so I said let me try to make doors for them in the least expensive way that I possibly can. So this is what I found, the cardboard at Dollar Tree. So I already measured it to see how much I would need. And as you can see, I'm cutting it out there. So I went ahead and measured it. And now I'm trying to decide where I'm going to put the holes. I'm really not going to give out measurements on here because everybody's shelving may be different. And mine aren't even on there evenly because I used something else. It seemed like when I bought my shelves, there were some pieces missing. So I had to improvise, and that's why my shelves are not actually the same height on each one. As you can see, I put some grommets in here, some grommets or whatever you call them in there. And actually, it didn't even really work out, so you don't have to do that. Just put regular holes in there. And right here, I'm using my drill because that cardboard is a little bit thicker, and I didn't feel like trying to put a hole in there with anything else. So there you see the piece of foam board, and I took everything out of the boxes, as you can see, so I can work a little bit better this way. It was really hard for me to try to reach that cardboard when I had it the other way. So there's a zip tie. I also got the zip ties from the Dollar Tree. This particular box that I'm putting a door on was donated to me. It was actually 2 of them that were donated, and I decided to use them for my crafting, which was excellent because I needed the space. And this is a very small room, so every little bit helps. Unfortunately, I'm putting the bottom part on, but it's not in the frame, so you really can't see it, but you pretty much get the drift. You put one at the top, you put one at the bottom. That's my aide, Rhonda. She's also my friend now. So this is the second one, and I'm just putting holes in them so I can put the door on. And believe me, this was trial and error. I was trying to do this in a very nice way, or presentable way, and it was just really a little bit hard for me, only because my hands don't want to work right sometimes when I have lupus, and since I've gained all this weight taking steroids, 20 milligrams of steroids, I get so tired so fast. But I'm trying, y'all. Don't judge me. Now you want to make sure that when you're putting the doors on that you're not putting the zip ties too tight, because if you do, then it's going to eventually break the hole. So you want to be careful about putting it too tight, and you want to make sure that you have enough space in the hole with the zip tie that you can open and close the door. Because if you pull it too tight, you won't be able to close the door. Trust me. This video was edited for a good reason because I tried it and I broke one of the boards. And there you have it. I didn't say it at the beginning, but Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome to 2021. Now you see that I have put the items back in there and I organized them pretty well. Now I have to tackle these two shelves. Oh boy. I started at the bottom, as you can see, and I did that off camera because, yeah, you don't want to see that. And my shelves are not really that junky because I did rearrange them and fix them up, but, you know, it is what it is. When you're a crafter, everything is everywhere. Because my space is very small, so I can't really divide stuff up like I want to. But it is what it is. You use what you got until you got what you need. Yes. So I'm trying to do that zip tie on the first cabinet. And yes, I do have a wardrobe change. It took me 3 days, 4 days actually, to do this. Now, if you can notice on the doors, I do have those silver hooks there, and I don't know what I did to the footage of that, but it's not there. So I put the silver hooks on there so I can keep the doors closed because they kept opening up. And now I found these squares on Amazon, and I absolutely love these squares, or whatever you want to call them. They're actually mirror stickers, so I felt like my boards were looking a bit drab. So I decided to give them a little bit of decoration. And since I had these on hand already, it was the easiest thing for me to do. Again, I'm trying to work smarter, not harder. And some of them are not even. Don't judge me. Ooh, sometimes my perception is not good and I didn't have any help. So somebody can say, oh, Teresa, there's a cricket. But they are. I see that they are, some of them. So, but we'll get to it later. So now I'm just showing you what it looks like. I love it. I think it's nice. Now I just have to do the top of the shelves, which I don't even know if I'm going to do that or not. But these look so nice to me. And this is just something inexpensive to do until you can do something better. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have a better idea of what I could have done. If you can, hey, thank you. Again, I wanted to say Happy New Year, Happy 2021. Sounds weird saying that, but it is 2021. And we are on the road to 1,000. God bless you. Lady T signing out, and we'll talk to you soon.